My name's Brett Heather, Managing Director of Grates to Go Australia. We've got 8 employees. We predominantly manufacture lineal drainage channel. We've been doing this for over 15 years now. We now supply Bunnings, we supply Reese and TradeLink and your major plumbing outlets all around Australia. So what happens is the job's programmed into the system. The stainless steel sheet comes in on the cutting table of the Bodor, and we pretty well, once it's programmed in, we press play and watch the sparks fly. So once that's cut, then it's taken off the Bodor system. It's then taken to our metal master press, and it's pressed and folded. Then it's off to our welder, who welds end caps on, and then it's off to our acid cleaning table, where the welds get cleaned up. The job gets cleaned, put together, it goes through quality control, everything gets double checked, and then packed that afternoon for the courier. Not too long ago, we had 3 to 4 processes of getting our channel processed from a flat sheet, which we used to go through, say, the guillotine, and then we'd go through a saw. We punch outlet holes in positions. There's a lot of measuring, a lot of human effort going on there. Now that we've got the Bodor laser, that cuts 3 of those processes out, which then streamlines our process. It's cutting our outlet positions, it's marking our fold lines, and it's also recording the jobs that we do, so that if we need to recall a job week down the track, we just pull it straight up from the computer. Quality-wise, the functionality of our products is actually better because we can get it made within a tighter tolerance of the measurements, so we're extremely happy with that. It was extremely affordable. My earlier thoughts for anything being laser cut or a laser cut machine, you had to spend millions of dollars. The price point of these machines was extremely affordable for a shop our size. Yeah, the training that came with the Bodor machine was extremely extensive and very thorough, but very, very easy to learn. We've had no experience in running laser machines before, any of the staff here, but I have 2 of my younger staff that they took to it like a duck to water. We had 2 days worth of training, and by the end of that week, we had 2 of our boys here cutting jobs out, cutting parts out with no problem at all. My advice would be, when looking at the Bodor machine, look at the kilowatts of the machine. I did that extensively. It goes, from 3 kilowatts, goes up to 6, 12. We only needed the 3, so we've got the baby of the bunch, but that's all we need because we're only cutting very, very thin material. Just be aware that, if you are a heavy fabrication business and you're cutting very thick material, talk to the boys at Hare & Forbes, and they'll set you up with the right machine for you.